Good morning, pre-algebra and algebra. Today we're going to be doing our Holocaust activity that uses what's called the percent of change. And I'm sorry I can't be there today. My daughter has a doctor's appointment, and so I am off taking her to the doctor's appointment. I'm going to go through some examples of how to do this so that your homework is so much more easier for you. One thing that I will suggest is that you have a calculator handy. Just makes it go a lot faster if you have a calculator. So here's our first example. In 2018, the boys basketball team had 37 boys that played. As freshmen, 17 of them did not play. So the question is, how many students played basketball as freshmen? So how many boys basketball players played as freshmen? So to figure this out, hopefully this is easy. We just do 37, take away 17. I can do it longhand over here. 37 minus 17 is going to be 20. So 20 basketball players played as freshmen. Next, we're going to make a fraction. And so the way that we make our fraction is we're going to take the change. So in this case, the change is 17 players quit. So I'm going to say minus 17. Okay, because the number went down 17. The original is 37. Now, what we're going to do is take a calculator and we're going to turn this fraction into a decimal. So I'm going to go negative 17 divided by 37. And it's going to give me this long number. I'm going to go negative 0.459, and that's plenty, right? So this is the thousands placed. So if you want to go to the thousands place, that's perfect. The final step is that we're going to take this decimal point and we're going to move it over twice, and that's going to change it into a percentage. So you could times this by 100 if you wanted to just use a calculator, or just move the decimal point over to the right twice to give us negative 45.9%. Alright, so what does that mean? That means that as a team, they lost 45.9% of their team between 8th grade and freshman. So our percent of decrease was 45.9. So working on these problems where we're looking at the percentage of change in the Jewish population before and after the Holocaust. This first one we're going to be doing is Hungary. And if you look at the graph, the black part is the number of Jews that were murdered. So this is going to be your change. And in the white number is the beginning population. And so if you can't see it very well, I wrote it underneath. But 825,000 Jews were alive before the Holocaust, and 569,000 Jews were murdered. So how many Jews survived? So what we're going to do is we're going to subtract those two numbers. 825,000 subtract 569,000. That tells me that 256,000 people, 256,000 Jews survived. The next thing is we're going to make a fraction. And remember, we're going to take our change, and in this case it's the black number. So I gave you a hint here. Black number, 569,000 divided by the white number. Remember, the white number is the original population, so 825,000. And so what we're going to do is divide those. 569 divided by 825. And I get, and this should be negative. Oops, that's positive. This is negative. So I get negative 0.689. So if you want to put down 3 digits, take it to the thousands place. And then the last thing that we're going to do is we're going to times this by 100, or just move that decimal point over twice. So this was 68.9% decrease. So in Hungary, the Jewish population was decreased by 68.9%. And 256,000 were the number that survived, and 769,000 were the number that died, and 825,000 were the original number of Jews in Hungary prior to the Holocaust. Alright, the last example I'm going to do for you guys, it shows Czechoslovakia. 207,260 was the beginning population. 149,150 were the number of Jews that were murdered. So now it says how many Jews from this country survived the Holocaust. So we're just going to subtract those. 207,260 minus 149,150. That tells me that 58,110 Jews survived from Czechoslovakia. The next thing that we're going to do is make a fraction. And so we're going to take our black number, which is the amount of change, the number of Jews that were murdered, 149,150. And that's going to be divided by the original, or the white number, 207,260. And now I'm going to put this fraction into my calculator to get a decimal. 149,150 divided by 207,260 gives me 0.719. Now we're going to move that decimal point over twice, and that would give us 71.9%. 71.9% decrease. The Jewish population decreased in Hungary by almost 3/4, 71.9%. Alright guys, what I would like you to do is go through the rest of these slides in the class kick. Don't forget to answer the questions at the end. If you finish early and you've got time left over, you could always work on missing homework assignments. You could read your Holocaust book, or you could do iReady. Alright guys, we'll see you real soon.